Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana white screen or blank page issue. Many users open Asana and only see a blank or white page. And this usually happens because of browser cache, extensions, or loading problems. First, refresh the page. Press Ctrl plus R and wait for Asana to reload fully. Small glitches often fix here. Step 1, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache can cause blank screens. Go to browser settings greater than privacy and security and clear cache and cookies for Asana. Step 2, restart your browser. Closing and reopening applies the changes properly. Don't skip this step. Step 3, try incognito or private mode. This opens Asana without extensions or saved data. If it works there, cache or extensions are the issue. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or security tools may block Asana scripts. Turn them off temporarily and reload. Step 5, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet may prevent full loading. Switch to a stable network if possible. Step 6, update your browser. Outdated browsers may not support Asana properly. Use the latest Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 7, turn off VPN or proxy. VPNs may block Asana resources. Disable it and try again. Finally, contact Asana support if the issue continues. Share your browser and system details. Support can help with deeper issues. So yeah, fixing Asana white screen or blank page issues is about refreshing the page, clearing cache, restarting the browser, using incognito, disabling extensions, checking internet, updating the browser, turning off VPN, and contacting support. Follow these steps and Asana should load normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.